Experience the future of tire dynamics with Dino Berki, Director of Business Development and Sales at Cosin Scientific Software AG. In this pitch presentation, discover FTire's revolutionary approach to real-time tire dynamics simulation. Learn how FTire delivers unparalleled accuracy and performance, empowering engineers to optimize vehicle handling and performance in real-world scenarios.
Hello everybody, and welcome to my presentation, FTire Full Tire Dynamics in Real Time. So, yeah. We have seen many presentations in the past 2 days, and we see that many decisions have to be made towards full dynamics. So you have to define your driving simulator setup, where VI-Grade has a lot of driving simulators offerings. You need to look at what's the driving simulator matches your applications that need to be covered. You look at the MBD model, so the vehicle model. And last but not least, then you have to make your decision about what tire models should be chosen. And yes, there are two worlds, and we would like to give you an overview about what we believe and what others do. So maybe summarizing, what do the others? It's a single contact point model they're offering, and then they add some magic to it. So yeah. But let's maybe talk more about what we are doing, just to see it. The single contact models have 1D aspects, 2D aspects, and some other derivatives. But yes, what is FTire all about? It's a physical tire model. Tony from Multimatic explained it very well, so I can always skip this slide here. It's a 3D contact patch. That's the only real-time capable tire model. This is capable to do so. And so FTire is ready to use for all applications where tire dynamics have an important impact on the overall vehicle dynamics. Talking about application cases, we have seen many presentations regarding handling. So the typical handling applications go up to 10 or 20 hertz. We have heard from Multimatics that they're running the first simulations also in a driving simulator up to 100 hertz, at least from tire perspective. And we have seen different applications. I will summarize them here with vibration application, riding comfort, and the different acoustics that needs to be covered. So FTire gives you the possibility to cover all these applications with one tire model. And if you look at the video and see a real-world driving scenario, then sometimes when you run in a scenario in a driving simulator, is it handling, or is it already steering? When does it come to comfort or ride? So you have a mixture of all these different applications that needs to be covered on one and the same system. And so FTire gives you the opportunity to run all these applications with one tire model and with the same parameterization and the same data sets. Yeah, so 3D tire dynamics, what or how does it influence your driving simulator? You get the excitations coming from the road surface, so the wheel loads are affected from both the uneven road surface and the vehicle chassis design. But another important aspect is also the steering system, so we put a lot of project work into this in the past 10, 12 months, experiencing more like what can FTire do to have a better steering feel. So we work together with partners to achieve much better steering feel, and the steering system in combination with different multi-body dynamics models. And of course, the global performance of the road vehicle is significantly affected by the performance of the tires. I'm already running a little bit out of time, so I've just brought you some more animations and videos to give you an overview about what a 3D tire model can be used for, and showing you here the positive effects a 3D model has. Important to say here is that the identical models that you may be also using in the offline simulations are now also available, or for a couple of years already available, on the driving simulator. So the same data, the same model. Where can you test drive this? Here on the new FSS DIM from VI-Grade, which was just quickly announced 2 days ago. So if you found your chance to test drive this, it's a great opportunity to do this. FTire is available on our partners, driving simulators, DIM 250s, and all the centers from VI-Grade offering you test drives to feel the difference of FTire. Yeah, so these are the applications you all know from the office, switching to real time. But what we found in the past months or past 2 years is that there are many applications which are new, which cannot be tested in the simulation way of sitting in front of the computer, but sitting in the DIM, driving the vehicle in a driving simulator. So subjective assessment, human factor, the realistic feedback that offers FTire, which makes it more realistic, and so on-center steering feel was mentioned already. Yes, sorry, but a little bit minute too much, but thank you.